the 9th, 2008. We're on our way to Sarasota, Florida for the 2008 U.S. Scale Masters Championships. We're in Polk City, Florida, to visit the Kermit Weeks Fantasy of Flight Museum. Should be fun. Oh, we got Bob Racer describing something, and Gary Norton.
We're talking about how to land on a carrier. Gary and I are both experts.
Yeah, I know that. Okay. We've got a B-26 out there. Gary Norton's never seen a B-26, he says. And there's a B-25 and a Catalina. They're not open yet, so we're looking forward to it. Oh, they got the hangar open anyway.
Yeah, when it came out of the lake line, I stopped it.
There's the flying boat. All right, let's go inside, huh, guys? Okay, we're in the lobby here, and they tell us this is not a museum, it's a attraction. So we're going to go take a tour.
I need more flash.
Pretty dark in here. Okay, we're going to go aboard the B-17. We're going to take off and bomb Germany. Time to leave on our bomb. Guys are doing a good job. Alright. Well, that was fun. We made it through the night. We lost an engine. This engine's feathered. You made it. You made your first mission.
Yeah.
I see you survived your first mission. Winter. It's winter here in Europe. Okay, we just came off our first mission over Europe. Ran into a uncovered World War. Wow, it's foggy out here. And we got a Marine Saulnier in the back there. Parasol. And we got a Newport 11 here. Here's your Newport 11, Gary. Maybe it's a 17 right here. Is it? All right. Now we got a Stinson tri-motor, I guess, and looks like a Curtis Pusher. Oh, okay, there's the Sunderland, I guess. Booker Youngman here. I wonder if this thing actually flew. Did you read about it?
No, that thing there.
Just for looks, huh?
I don't know. I haven't got that far yet.
Here's the old Delmar Benjamin GB, built by Wolf in Creswell, Oregon. Last time I saw this was at the Pearson Air Museum.
Stalls at 100 miles an hour.
100-mile stall. An earlier GB, the Springfield Air Racing Association. And we got a Focke-Wulf FW44 here. During the 30s. Philadelphia.
Traction map.
Averill Cadet.
Your next scheduled tour will begin in approximately 5 minutes. Please listen.
DR1. And a Fokker D8. Looks like one came from Gunnersville, maybe. Looked like might be old Frank Ryder's aircraft. I don't know. Somebody's moving in a PT-17.
I heard him say on the radio that Mr. Weeks may fly the helicopter fly on today.
You might remember the aircraft exactly like this one. They found that great big Japanese fleet that was on the way to Midway that early morning, 109. This building here on the right, you turn to the left here, and as the jack sounds, okay.
No, it's just
Kermit Weeks
great old aircraft engines are here.
Aircraft engines.
Yeah. This is powered aircraft engines.
Over 300 aircraft engines.
Keep them in here. And when
There's
they
a
get an
4360
engine,
right there.
We'll just take it out of here. We'll send it out and have it quickly rehab, have all the seals and
That looks like an English engine to me.
And go ahead and use it. And it does represent probably 50 years of engine.
I want to ask the question, why is it here? Good question, right over there. This is because it's the only one in the world today that is an Orinco. Ordnance Engineering Company, built by Curtis way back in the day, 1921.
Coming up on the Connie.
This aircraft approaching on the left is a Lockheed Constellation. That's one of the three of the new German government in Berlin. And it became the first private aircraft that Germany was challenged at that time. A man by the name of Konrad Adenauer.
This is the maintenance hangar. A B-24 in there.
Yes, there's like no hangar police. They only consider
Oops, excuse me.
hits a little bit of oil, you slip and fall. There is. There is. Well, that's the TP-40N. That's the trainer version.
I got a Stork. Fiesler Stork. P-40. You got an ant, a Russian ant, Antonov, in the corner. You got a beach back there.
Has a Curtis Polk X5 engine.
Curtis Robin.
In that aircraft, the pilot and two passengers right behind the pilot. Age could only be about Ireland, and when asked how he got there, he said,
Those are the wings for the Corbin, I bet. I mean the Robin, Curtis Robin.
The only Doolittle actually flew an aircraft that just looks just like that one, and he won the Bendix Air Race in 1931, racing that aircraft. However, he did retire from racing in 1932, stating to everybody with ears that that anybody that ended up doing this for any length of time didn't live. But that's another story altogether. Now, you see this, you'll notice
This is a Polikarpov PO2.
on the right wing there, he's a siren. These ladies will get in these aircraft and fly that green aircraft. That aircraft facing this over there, that was an explorer aircraft that was
This is a P-40 trainer with dual
Now,
cockpit,
after,
tandem.
it has two cockpits.
One of it, the last one in the world.
Cockpits have full controls in either one.
Okay, we're going to go on the short Sunderland to see what it looks like, right, Bob?
You bet.
Well, this is the upper deck of the Sunderland. Probably the first class people were up here. On the World War II hangar.
Yeah.
And we got an F-3F Grumman. And we got a Spitfire.
You got Bills in here.
And a SNJ. And here's the tail end of the B-26. It was out in the runway, and a Kellett autogyro back up there in the corner.
Richard, you got Bills in here.
Yep, yep. And a end of a B-25. And a, is that little German Bucher Bestmann. Bucher were big for biplanes. And the B-25. Apache Princess. And we got a Curtis Jenny back there under restoration. Lots of wings hanging on the wall. And the B-26 Martin Marauder. We're Cripes the Mighty here. And a Hellcat. And Macon Bell, P-51, and a Grumman Duck. And the Candy Clipper. There's Kermit's old airplane, a Kermit's Week Special, hanging upside down without any fabric on the wings.